Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable countertop dishwashers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Blitzhome Portable Dishwasher, an ideal choice for tech-savvy users who love smart home integration. This dishwasher sets itself apart with its app control feature, allowing you to monitor and manage wash cycles remotely. It offers 6 washing programs, including standard, quick, strong, eco, fruit, and drying. The 360-degree dual spray system ensures a thorough clean, while the high-temp drying function adds a layer of hygiene by eliminating bacteria and moisture. In terms of design, the Blitzhome is compact yet spacious, accommodating up to 20 dishes in one cycle. The build quality is solid, featuring a combination of plastic and stainless steel materials for durability. The transparent window adds a stylish touch, letting you watch the cleaning process in real time. However, it operates at 58 dB. So while quieter than some models, it's not the quietest on this list. This dishwasher is perfect for small households, dorms, or RVs, especially for those who appreciate modern conveniences like app connectivity. The ability to choose between a built-in water tank and faucet hookup adds flexibility, and it's energy efficient, consuming only 5 liters of water per cycle. However, the lack of advanced drying modes like ventilation storage may deter some buyers. Still, for its price and smart features, the Blitzhome delivers excellent value. At number 3, we have the Aramson Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This model stands out for its blend of compact design and impressive capacity, accommodating over 40 items, including plates up to 12 inches long. With its 5 washing programs, normal, speed, glass, baby care, and fruit, it offers versatility for a variety of cleaning needs. The baby care mode is especially noteworthy, as it heats water to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for a deep hygienic clean, making it perfect for baby bottles and children's tableware. The Aramson dishwasher features a sleek, double-layered glass door and an LED touchscreen interface that's easy to operate. The transparent door, combined with interior LED lighting, allows you to observe the cleaning process in real time. Its 360 degrees spiral spray arms and high water pressure ensure thorough cleaning, even for stubborn stains. The drying mode and 72-hour ventilated storage keep your dishes fresh and ready to use at any time. This model is ideal for families of 3 to 4, thanks to its spacious interior and efficient performance. It's also water and energy saving, using just 5 liters of water per cycle. However, it lacks smart app connectivity and is slightly heavier than other models at 26.4 pounds. Overall, the Aramson is a solid pick for those seeking a reliable, feature-rich dishwasher for medium-sized households. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the eHomey Mini Portable Dishwasher. This model is perfect for families and small households, thanks to its spacious interior that can accommodate over 30 dishes per load. It features 6 washing programs, including normal, quick, eco, baby care, fruit, and dry, with the baby care mode reaching 167 degrees Fahrenheit for an ultra-hygienic clean. Its dual spray arms provide 360 degrees cleaning coverage, ensuring that every dish comes out spotless. The eHomey dishwasher is designed with convenience in mind. It offers both a built-in 5-liter water tank and a faucet hookup option, making it suitable for any kitchen setup. The angled LED touchscreen is user-friendly and adds a modern touch to its design. At just 40 dB, this is one of the quietest dishwashers on our list, making it perfect for open-concept living spaces. This dishwasher is not only efficient, but eco-friendly, using significantly less water than hand washing. The drying mode and 73-hour ventilation system keep dishes fresh and odor-free, which is a thoughtful addition. However, it's slightly more expensive than some other models, and the need to purchase a faucet adapter separately if your kitchen doesn't match the included hose may be a minor inconvenience. Still, the eHomey delivers exceptional performance and versatility, making it a fantastic choice for most households. Finally, at number 1, we have the Novity Portable Countertop Dishwasher, the premium option on our list. This model is a compact powerhouse, featuring 5 washing programs: normal, speed, soft, baby care, and fruit, and a double-layer design that can hold up to 4 full place settings. Its baby care mode heats water to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a top choice for families with young children. The Novity excels in design and build quality, with a transparent dual-layer glass door and LED interior lighting that allow you to monitor the cleaning process. Its 3-in-1 functionality includes washing, drying, and ventilated storage, keeping your dishes odor-free for up to 72 hours. The speed mode is particularly impressive, cleaning dishes in just 29 minutes, while the dry mode uses hot air to ensure completely dry, ready-to-use dishes. While the Novity is the most expensive model on our list, its premium features and high-quality performance justify the price. It's ideal for small families or anyone looking for a feature-rich, reliable dishwasher. The only downside is the higher price point, but if you're willing to invest, the Novity is the best portable countertop dishwasher you can buy today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.